Hello! Excuse my accent here. Back after a long break with a short pinball reparation video for you. Look at this beautiful Jurassic Park Data East pinball machine. What's the issue with this? As Joe would say, it's broke. Specifically, the coil of this left slingshot here locks on as soon as the pinball is turned on. Let me show you. Yep, Joe's always right. It's broke. So we're gonna fix this. And if you don't know who Joe is, just check the video description below. The first thing we need to check are the switches. If they're stuck, it's an easy fix. We just have to pull the blades apart. But this isn't the case, so we need to move on. So it's time to pull up the schematics, and we can see here that the left slingshot is driven by this transistor here, Q10. Just follow the schematics and we can see which connector we need to unplug. First, let's unplug it from the CPU board and turn it back on to see if the coil doesn't effectively lock anymore. I've done that off camera and trust me, it doesn't, so let's move on. Using just a regular multimeter, we need to check if the coil is shorted or not. Anything above 2 ohms means that the coil isn't shorted. We get a nice 4.5 ohms, so the issue is likely on the CPU board. If the diode was bad, it's unlikely the coil would lock on boot, and anyways you can check the readings of other similar coils to make sure. This is Q10. Let's flip the board and, well, it looks like somebody has been messing with this already in the past 30 years. The plot thickens. Every transistor has 3 legs. The way we test transistors is by putting the black lead of the multimeter on the middle leg. Then we check the readings of the other 2 legs with the red lead of the multimeter. A good transistor should read between 0.4 and 0.8 on both. Q10 doesn't read good, it reads 0. This means this is shorted and needs replacement. While I'm here, I'll also be checking the pre-driver transistors as well, in a similar fashion. Alright, only Q10 needs replacement, so let's go ahead. I'm not very good at the soldering. Slow and steady, as long as it gets the job done. So here's the old transistor and the replacement that we'll be installing in its place. If you haven't figured that out yet, I'm not good at soldering and desoldering. I'm still learning, so shut up. And now this transistor measures correctly. I'll just check the nearby transistor to see if I have damaged them. Luckily I didn't. Let's give it a little trim. And it works! Bye, see you in the next video.